Hi, and welcome back to Wrap It Up Wednesdays on Adventures with Piccadilly. Today is Halloween, woo! And so I'm actually going to be making a wrap in service of my costume. This year as a family, we are going as my son's favorite show, the number blocks. I am the number 6. So I'm going to be doing a wrap that's a bit of a modification of kind of one of my standard wraps to create the look of the eyelashes, excuse me, on the number 6. I'll put a picture here. So let's get started. I have got on a Cloud 9 shaper, and I'm going to be using this dark red 2-in-1. If you've watched some of my other videos, you know that Cloud 9 shaper and 2-in-1 is quite possibly my favorite wrap shaper combo. It's definitely a go-to of mine. So I'm going to start by folding I did all that really fast. Let me show you again. So this is a rectangular scarf. It's fairly thin, but still opaque. And I'm going to fold it down so that the width of the scarf is similar to the circumference of my head plus shaper. And put it on at about the halfway point. Tie it in the back. All right, now I've got my tails pretty even. I'm going to bring them around to the same side and do a rope twist. So I do that by twisting each tail in the same direction and then twisting them together in the opposite direction. So twisted them both in the same direction. Hello! Here is the little number 7. I'll show you guys in 1 second. So get here with the rope twist. And typically what I do is put this pretty far back at where the shaper and my head kind of meet. But because I'm looking for that eyelash look, I'm gonna put it right at the front. This is also good to me. It gives a very like Renaissance festival-y kind of look. So that's the difference of how I usually would do it. Much closer to my face. Tuck the tags or the tails in, and then the last part. Oh, the number 7. Say hi. So the last part is the numberling, which is the little number that sits on top. For my son, I put his numberling on a headband that he's going to wear, but since I'm wearing a wrap, I figure I might as well incorporate my numberling into it. So I'm just going to feed through. All right, I'm like 85% sure it's not backwards, so y'all tell me if it's backwards. So I just did it onto a pipe cleaner. And then I'm going to, hi. Yes, ma'am. Feed it through between the 2 twists of the rope. Yes, baby. Okay, please don't. And there you have my Halloween costume. Is my 6 the right way or backwards? There we go. Boom. I'm the number 6 from the number blocks. This is the number 7. I'll include a pic of the whole fam so you can see us all. Thanks. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Number 6. Thanks. Comment in the comments below. You can shop your Halloween costume. I'd love to see it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.